Yes, hello, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Alright? Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man. This is part 3 of the Jamaican government corruption. Alright? My job is to expose them. And that's what I'm here to do. I'm not stop, drop video and pressure them until we get the whole system changed. Alright? We have better leaders, we're gonna have better citizens. And that's what it leads up to. Okay? So I wanna say good night to everyone. Alright? Please like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Press up the buzzer.
6th floor.
Make sure you say this video reach out to the masses again. I want to thank everyone that watched my video yesterday and commented on my video. Alright? And I hear what everyone have to say and I appreciate everyone comment. Alright?
Hello.
Hello, good night, how are you? So yeah, with that said, let's start the segment. Tonight I'm here
Second
to talk
floor,
about
first floor.
Paula Lolowin and a comment on me she make on Jamaica Hot Topics where she say there's a lot of cases she prosecuted within the Jamaica judicial system where she prosecuted people knowing that the case was supposed to be thrown out, but because they don't have the resources and she can go ahead and prosecute them, she go ahead and prosecute them. So this is why she have the perfect record where she have, right? At Jamaica. Because she been locking up people unlawfully within the Jamaica judicial system. And she been getting away with it because she can, because she's in a high place where she was put by high-ranking officials, right? So they turn a blind eye to what's going on within the Jamaica judicial system, with she at the helm as lead prosecution. So now, with that said, the vybz kartel case will take place, right? This seems like a personal vendetta where Paula Lolowin have against this man for some reason. And I would like to know, me I say, good night, Major, blessings. I would like to know what's the personal reason what she have against Adija vybz kartel Palmer, because Adija Palmer is one person, right? Vybz kartel is another person. Vybz kartel is an entertainer, right? Who get paid to entertain the people. So you're trying to say you don't like the person, Adija Palmer, or you do not like Vybz kartel, the person? Because this is a question we have to ask. And why is this so personal to you to make sure this man has been put away because of what took place between him and Leng? So my question to you and Mr. Peter Bunjin, the two of them work for Leng. There's no other question left to ask, right? And Sir P, who's working for the government, when they do nothing more than story up things and keep on putting out the man business. Yes, Major, you are there, respect, see? Blessings. And keep putting out the man business every time him say the man appeal case a come up, him try to show these look a video out, right? To make the man character look bad, right? And then here comes Cargo with him foolish. They come like him now in a sense, right? Because him a gonna make a speech like where he make and I say F. Cartel get Lego, the policeman where assassinate Donnelly have to get let go too. Like, this a food for thought what them put in your head cargo. And you see, you know, some people who like slightly the things and think on the slick. Now, you try to be good with the Jamaican government so you can get your blood clot music play on radio. So that's why you come and draw them allegation there. And them put them thoughts in your head and you come like a man who don't have no sense. I go come and interview and talk them thing they know and say it going to get spread worldwide after the man about to come home. Brother, how dare you do something like that, brother? You have to think before you talk, brother. You're supposed to have way more sense than that. That shouldn't even come out of your mouth. You know what I say? A long time, them police board that do things that Jamaica not get away with it. The police board that will kill Donnelly, him and him woman for go to prison. And that's the same thing when me talk about. The conspiracy with the Jamaica. You see me? And here you come and enhance the fuckery as an entertainer. That says a lot, brother. You need to just hold your mouth if you know I'm not good for say, brother. You see me? I'm not even going to burn you out. Because this is not about you. But you're part of the blood clot problem too. You know what I say? A time for you to become the solution. And hold the other dog. Stop going like you know no sense. This is not about who they in a wait name there. And not the police boy where they in a jail for murder. Him and them woman. You see me? Because he make all them woman run and come and fire him. And him have to take the heat. You see me? So that is a different story, Cargo. Know yourself, Cargo. You see me? Yeah. And you, Mr. Prime Minister, how dare you that Jamaica legalize gay marriage? Which part of Jamaica that ever happened? In all these years, you don't have Jamaica distract the people with your foolishness and your antics so not going with. And behind the people them back while them asleep, you sign legislation for same-sex marriage at Jamaica. You know, so now run the country down in the ground. And the Jamaican people them sit down there and watch you and do them something here. You see me? Now at the time for Jamaica get up and march. We need Paula Laloin out. We need a resignation. Peter Bunjin out because he's the biggest drug dealer in Jamaica. He is responsible for shipping, right? Manufacturing and shipping weed and cocaine abroad from Jamaica. He is the import and export blood clot manager of Jamaica. Peter Bunjin, pussy old Peter Bunjin. And Leng is the biggest promoter of Jamaica that born in Jamaica as a show producer. And this is why them have a problem with Vybz Kartel. Isaiah Police, Isaiah Leng. Him is the fucking problem. So my question to you, Paula Laloe, are you sleeping with Isaiah Leng? And Peter Bunjin, you working for Isaiah Leng. That's why the whole I want to come up with the story and then wait them that up on a poster boy. I want to adamant about locking this man away and throw away the key and watch him die in prison so he can sit and laugh. And now here come Paula Laloe and I say, she now let him go. She go back a child. Why? After all the things them where the man got through in the last 14 years, right? The microscope with the judicial system, right? And the corrupt government, when they still want to bring the man to trial. I don't get it. So that means it's a personal thing when you have against the youth, when you just want to lock the man away and throw the key because the man influence him halfway stretch from all the way to Jamaica, go to Africa, right? Go to Europe. The man conquer the 7 continents, the man have bubble all over. While Uno have Funo, hit squad police friend them run up and down all over Jamaica. Leng, Bobby Reds, you see me? Ox, you see me? Tony Hewitt, the whole of them man there, Trinity, thousands of duppy them having at the blood clot cemetery down at Jamaica. Where else in any other country you know police a kill man like that and them may go up on suspension or get fired. That couldn't happen nowhere else but in a Jamaica. A time for them something that change. Alright? We need all our resignation from the Prime Minister, right? To the Speaker of the House, right? To excuse me. To you, Paula Lulowin, right? We need all our resignation. I see, Leng, your influence need to be